Following our recent post on LinkedIn on our newsletter that got so much attraction on how the strategies for building what a startup, how to build a social media strategy for your startup with these simple steps. So I want to share with you guys a strategy, working strategy that you can implement as a startup in generating sales, getting leads and all of that. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've written out some things, some tips, good strategies which you can use to utilize social media in boosting up your startup. According to what I've written here, in today's digital age, you need strong social media presence in order for you to grow. Right now, according to research so far being made, social media, trust me, attention is the new strategy. Let me just use that word. Attention is the new strategy, because not just the strategy, you can meet a lot of people, investors, so many people out there and all of that. So right today now, let's look at one of these strategies you can use. Number one, first of all, define your goal. So this define your goal, now what does it entail? What does it imply? First of all, you need to know what you want. Like, what's your end goal? What do you tend to achieve? Your startup, what is it all about? What's the goal of your startup? So this is a question only you yourself can answer. And again, the goal is, how do you want to use this? Like, how this platform, what do you want to get out of this particular platform you are using? What's the goal of you trying to achieve this? All right. They say before diving into social media, it is important to define your clear and measurable goals. Remember, mark this word, measurable. What do you tend to achieve? Like I said, whether it is increasing your brand awareness, driving traffic, generating leads, what do you tend to achieve? I said it, so you need to ask yourself this question. 2, you need to know your audience. Your audience, you need to know them. Where are they coming from? Where is the demographics, their interest, their age? You need to put all this into considerations. These are one of the strategies on how to get to build a successful startup. 3, choose the right platform. There's a lot of social media platforms out there. Lot of them. Which of them do you want to? Choose the right platform. I try to target investors who have LinkedIn. There's Instagram, there's TikTok, there's Facebook. Choose the platform that you know what works best for you. You need to test run all these things. Like here, I said, if it's whether LinkedIn, B2B networking is there, Instagram for visual content, Twitter for written updates, it based on you. So the next one is number 4th is create compelling content. After I'm going to know the best platform for you, check the content. Good content. They said content is king. That's true. Content is king. You need to create content that will hook people, that will get people's attention. It can be from blog posts, videos, infographics, user-generated content, all of that. So even though you are somebody who cannot actually do all this, you can pay people. They have UCG out there, people that do UCG that can do all this content for you. All right. So the next one again is engage your audience. You need to engage them. All right. So you need to engage them, reply to comments, respond to people, get to know them. Let them feel that there is a real human being behind this whole thing. All right. Don't just be giving them automated response and reply. Get to ask questions. Converse with them, make them feel that there's a human being behind this thing, all right? Engage with them. Track and analyze. Of course, after you have gotten out there, you need to track and analyze. You need to know what's working and what's not working. You need to check analytics. Check maybe the best content that performed very well, the reach and everything, the comments, the saves and everything. So you need to track and analyze. So if any of your posts performs well, then you know that this is the audience, this is the kind of content your audience like. Then you just stick to creating such content. So by following these simple things, these simple steps, guys, or tips, trust me, you're on a way of using social media for making your startup to be very, very successful. All right, so thanks guys for watching. Once again, if you want us, Masters Media, to use our own strategy, to help you in growing your startup, you can send us a mail at Omasitos Media. Send us a mail at Omasi Talks Media. We will be glad to work with you to respond and take your startup to the next level. Omasi Talks Media. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. So subscribe to the channel in order for you to get value from the content which we'll be posting often, content like this. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Thanks so much. I appreciate you guys for watching. So if you have any questions, you have anything you want to ask, so please do leave it in the comment section and we'll try as much as possible to respond to you guys. Thanks and bye for now. We'll see you guys later. Bye.